In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in the Lovable chat interface to enhance your project workflow. Whether you're starting a new project or continuing with an existing one, knowing how to seamlessly incorporate images and videos can make all the difference. Before diving in, ensure you're logged into your Lovable account and that you have a project ready to be worked on. This will give us the foundation we need to proceed with attaching files efficiently. Let's begin by locating the Attach button within the chat interface. You'll find this by looking for a plus sign icon, typically situated on the bottom left of the prompt bar. This small yet mighty button is your gateway to uploading files, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Once you've opened the drop-down menu, what you want to do next is select the Attach option. This choice will trigger a file browser window to open on your computer. It's a straightforward step that bridges the gap between your device and the project interface, allowing you to input external resources with ease. Now it's time to choose the file you want to upload. Navigate through your computer's directories to locate the image or video you intend to attach. This step is crucial as it's at this point that you bring your visual or audiovisual element into the chat. After finding your desired file, go ahead and click Open. This will select your file and prepare it for the next phase of the process. Once you've done this, it's important to confirm that your upload has been successful. You'll know that the attachment has worked because the file's name will appear within the prompt bar. This visible cue is your assurance that the file is now correctly attached and ready to be referenced or further actioned upon. Finally, it's time to provide a prompt that instructs the AI on what to do with your newly attached image or video. In this text box, you'll guide the AI by typing a succinct message to specify how the uploaded file should be utilized in your project. For instance, you might type a command such as add this logo to the header or use this video as the background for the hero section. By doing this, you define the role of the file within your project, ensuring that it integrates into the design as you envision. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective approach to attaching files in your Lovable chat interface. Remember, while the process is simple, it opens up a world of possibilities for how you can enhance your projects. With practice, this will become second nature, enabling you to tap into a broader range of creative possibilities with confidence.